Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the RK Royal Kludge RK71, a 70% mechanical keyboard that's been making waves in the gaming and keyboard enthusiast communities. This keyboard aims to deliver a premium experience in a compact form factor. And after spending some time with it, let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions are important, and the RK71 doesn't disappoint. The 71 key layout is intelligently designed, saving precious desk space without sacrificing essential keys. The inclusion of detachable magnetic foot pads is a thoughtful touch, allowing users to customize the typing angle for optimal comfort. Whether you're gaming for hours or tackling a mountain of work, this keyboard is designed to keep you comfortable. The RK71 features brown switches, which are a fantastic middle ground for those who want tactile feedback without the loud click of blue switches. These switches provide a noticeable bump with each keystroke, making typing a satisfying experience. What's even better is the hot swappable design, which allows you to easily replace the switches without any soldering. This opens up a world of customization, allowing you to experiment with different switch types to find a perfect feel for your typing style. The keycaps on the RK71 are double-shot, meaning the legends are molded from 2 layers of plastic. This ensures that the legends won't fade or wear off over time, even with heavy use. The keycaps have a creamy texture that feels great under the fingers, adding to the overall premium feel of the keyboard. One of the standout features of the RK71 is its advanced shock absorption structure. The keyboard utilizes a 4-layer design, with filling silencers strategically placed between the PCB, positioning plate, and switch. This effectively reduces cavity noise, resulting in a solid and quiet typing experience. This is especially important for those who work or game in shared spaces, as it minimizes distractions for those around you. Connectivity is another area where the RK71 shines. It supports Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wire connections, giving you plenty of options for connecting to your devices. You can connect up to 5 devices simultaneously and switch between them using FN key combinations. This makes it incredibly versatile for multitasking across different platforms. The RK71 also boasts immersive RGB backlighting with 16.8 million colors to choose from. There are 21 dynamic RGB lighting schemes, with quick switch options and customizable RGB light recording. You can create unique lighting effects to match your style and enhance your gaming atmosphere. For those who like to tinker, the RK71 comes with powerful software customization options. You can customize each key with macro settings, synchronize your RGB lighting with your favorite tunes, and create a fully personalized typing and gaming experience. The software is intuitive and easy to use, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced users. In conclusion, the RK Royal Kludge RK71 is a well-rounded mechanical keyboard that offers a lot of value for its price. Its compact design, tactile brown switches, hot swappable design, premium keycaps, advanced shock absorption, versatile connectivity, and immersive RGB backlighting make it a top contender in the 70% keyboard market. Whether you're a gamer, a programmer, or just someone who appreciates a good typing experience, the RK71 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.